Hi, my name is Michael. Welcome back to Hammer Web Channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a WordPress website from a Google search penalty. Google penalties is a big disadvantage to website owners as your traffic can drop within a day and also your website pages will be removed from Google Search Console. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix or how to recover a WordPress website from Google Search penalty. Let's go into it. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is what is a Google search penalty. A search penalty is a punishment that Google delivers to websites that violate its guidelines. So if your website violates Google guidelines or Google policy, your website will be affected by Google search penalty. Now we're going to talk about the two types of Google penalties. The first penalty we have is manual penalties. These are penalties imposed by Google internal team and you are notified of any offense. It can be for things like spam content, cloaked images, and spam backlinks. The second type of Google penalty is algorithm penalties. An algorithm penalty is when Google rolls out an update to the search algorithms to provide better search results. This penalty is hard to diagnose because you don't get any notification from Google. So the difference between the both of them is that for manual penalties, you'll be notified from your Google Search Console dashboard, but algorithm penalties you will only be notified from Google Search Central social media pages. But but when it comes to algorithm penalties, they will not notify you like the particular issue your blog is having. Now here's how to check the manual penalties. If you want to check manual penalties, first you need to log into your Search Console dashboard. When you log in, you come to security and manual actions. Now you click on manual actions. Now you can see for this blog there's no issue detected. Now if there's issue detected, you will see the message right here. So this is how to check for manual penalties. Now the first step you need to do in order to check for algorithm penalties is to perform an SEO audit to find a critical issues. Now to do that, the first thing you need to do is when you come to your WordPress dashboard, you have to log into your WordPress dashboard. So I know like most of us will be might be using an SEO plugins like Use SEO, Rank Math, or AIOSEO. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to perform site audit using AIOSEO. Now to do that, first I'm going to install AIOSEO in this website. I'm going to click on plugins, I'm going to click on admin, then I'm going to search for AIOSEO. When I search for AIOSEO, I'm going to install and activate it. So it's done installing. I'm going to click on activate. Now when you activate this plugin, if it's the first time you're activating this plugin, there will be a launch setup wizard. You can use this launch setup wizard to follow the simple steps in like the simple configuration you need to like do on your website. So but since I've already installed this plugin on this website before, I'm going to go to SEO analysis. Now if you go to SEO analysis, you will see how your website is like how your website is doing, like your SEO score. But it's saying right here I need to connect with AIOSEO. So I'm going to click connect with AIOSEO. Now first I need to connect AIOSEO with this plugin. So I'm going to like register a free account. Let me just register a free account. So it's going to take a few minutes. So I've already registered for a free account on AIOSEO. Now it's analyzing my SEO performance. So now you can see I have 72 over 100. Now if you scroll down, you see there are some issues I have in my website, which is complete SEO checklist. Now if you check out the complete SEO checklist, you see that there are certain issues I have on this website. Now you can see here they said I have no H1 tag found. I have some images on your page have no alt attribute. Now you know how to add alt attribute to images, right? Now we're going to fix few of these issues, so you see how to do some of them. Now this is too few internal links on your page, so let's get into it. Now first we are going to fix now this you can fix this if you're writing content you need the H1 tag on your content. You can fix, but it's not always compulsory. But the one that is compulsory is this too. You need to have alt attributes on your images and you need to have few internal links on your page. So let's fix this too. Now the first thing you need to do is I'm going to come to like I have images on this website, so I'm going to come to media, I'm going to come to library. Now I'm going to click on one image. You can see there are a lot of images here, so let me just click on this one. Now I click on this one, you can see this alternative text here is called alt attributes. Now you need to like add alternative text to this. So but if I add to only this image, it's not going to remove that error because there are a lot of images on this website that does not have alt attributes. So I'm just going to put anything like, since we have nature, I'm just going to type in nature. So you make sure that your alternative text is related to the image you uploaded. You cannot just put any alternative text on your image. You have to make sure it's related to the image you uploaded. So when you do that, you close it. By default, it's already saved for like by default, WordPress already saved that alternative text. Now, the second one is how to add internal links on your website. We all know what internal links. If you don't know what internal links means, it means linking your pages to a particular pages in your website, like linking your pages together. So let me give you for example, let me come to post. I'll come to admin. So let me say I want to add a new post this website. So let me just say new post, and this is new post. Now I'm going to come here. I'm going to create two posts. So let me show you the example. Now this is new post. So I'm just type this is a new post. Now I'm going to publish this. Now when I publish this, I'm going to go back again. Then I'm going to add new post. So but I don't want to use this one. Let me just add new post. So I'm going to add new post. Calling it another post. Now I'm going to come here and type in this is another post. Now this is what is called internal link. If I want to like perform an internal linking on this post, I'm going to link this post with the other post we created, which is new post. In order to do that, I might come to here and highlight this post. Now click on this link. Now I'm going to type new post. Now if I type new post, WordPress is going to suggest the name of that title, like the name of the post I created. So I'm going to click on it. Now if I click on it and click open new tab, no need of adding no follow since it's a link in my blog. So I'm going to click publish. Now by default, I've already added internal link on this website. So this is internal link, but it is called external link, whereby you like copy a URL from another website and link it right here. So if you do it that way, then it's called external linking. So I'm going to go back. So this is the first step you need to perform in order to like check if the Google if the algorithm penalty affected your website. So let's go to the second one. Now the second one is called clean backlink profile. Now previously we talked about external linking. Now there are some instances, there are some processes where you might mistakenly copy and spam URL, like linking your website with website that does not have any particular function. You're only here to like spam the internet. So doing stuff like this might like affect your website. Now, in order to check for spam links, you need to use tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs. But I'm going to show you how to check backlinks in your website. In order to do that, when you come to your browser, you type in Ahrefs backlink checker. Now you can see Ahrefs backlink checker. And when you come to Ahrefs backlink checker, for this website there will be no backlink since it's a new domain. So, but let's check. Now I'm going to click check backlinks. I have to verify Cloudflare. Okay. Now, if you see now, they said there's no backlinks, there's no linking website, which means there's no backlink on this website. So with this, it means that this website is clean. It has clean backlinks since it has no backlinks. So let's go to the next step. Now, the third step is perform a content audit. This is a process of checking for duplicate content on your website. Like another way is fixing 404 pages on your website. So you know how to do this. Now, when you come back to your Google Search Console dashboard, in this way, I'm going to show you how to check for 404 pages or soft 404 pages. If you want to check that, when you come to your Google Search Console dashboard, you come to pages. When you come to pages, Google is going to show you like some of your pages that has. So you can see this one is page redirect. You have redirect error and other stuff. Now this, if now it's very important to make sure like you regularly fix these errors in order to build trust with Google. If you leave stuff like this, Google is going to feel like you're like you're not doing anything to your website. You need to fix this error and show Google that like you're working on your website and not only just creating content and creating content and creating content. So you need to like regularly fix these errors. It's very important. Now, in order to fix duplicate content, all you need to do is redirect your new content or your old content to your new content. In order to do this, you can use two plugins. There are plugins that will help you redirect all your 404 pages direct to your home page, like automatically, without doing them manually. But if you want to do them manually, you can use this same all-in-one SEO plugin. In order to do that, when you hover on it, you come to redirect. So, but this feature is for pro users, so you need to like purchase the pro version of this plugin. Now I'm going to show you how to do them automatically. And when you come to plugin, you click on admin. Yeah, there's also a plugin where you can use to do it manually also. It's called redirection. Now if you search for it, redirection, So you can see it right here. This is redirection. You can see you can manage your 301 redirects, track 404 errors, and track 404 errors and other stuff. Now I'm going to show you how to like automatically redirect your 404 pages to your home page. Now this plugin is very important. For example, let me say you let me say for example, like your website has a lot of content, like thousands of content, and you lose your website files. So instead of manually, like let me say your website has up to 10,000 content, it's going to take you days, unless you're like you hired a team to do it for you. It's going to take you days in order to redirect all those URLs to your new URLs. But with this plugin, you can do them in just few seconds. So in order to do that, you search for all 404 redirect to homepage. Now when you do that, you'll see that this is it right here. You click on install, you click on activate. Now when you click on activate, there's only one sentence you need to do here. So I'm going to dismiss this first. Then you just come to settings. When you come to settings, you make sure the plugin is activated. Now you can see enabled, which means it's activated. Now all your 404 URLs will be redirected to your homepage. If there's any 404 error in your website, it's going to be detected right here. You are going to see it right here. So this is how to fix 404 error. Now, the next step is to ensure your website is not hacked. A lot of website owners might install nude themes or plugins in order to get premium features for free. Using tools like this is going to get your website hacked. So you need to like prevent yourself from using those premium features. You can start with the free ones. Then when you are able to afford the premium ones, you can use the premium ones. Now, the last step you need to follow in order to recover your WordPress website from a Google search penalty is to research recent Google algorithm updates. So the first thing you need to do is you have to go to Google Search Central social media pages and check the article on their recent Google Search update. They are going to explain the updates they rolled out, if it's for backlinks or if it's for content or anything. So when you read them, you check if your blog is affected by those updates. If it's affected, you have to come back to your website and check where those issues is from. We hope this video will help you learn how to recover your WordPress website from a Google search penalty. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to share it to your friends who also want to fix their website from a Google search penalty.